waking up every morning on time when your alarm goes off instead of snoozing it, knowing full well I should be up getting ready for the day. My water bottles were all frozen, so I couldn't drink any water. The wind chill was negative some degrees, and I just kept thinking, what am I doing? This isn't fun anymore. Like a grind of having a job.
Can't really see anything.
I remember sitting down and thinking,
We have 30 miles to Pie Town.
what if this is it? What if I stop right here? And my body and my mind were like, yeah, we could see that.
Lots of snow.
You don't need to put yourself through misery every day. Most people take a lifetime to do a Triple Crown. Pacific Crest Trail, Continental Divide Trail, and the Appalachian Trail, 8,000 miles. Only a handful of people have ever done all three in a year.
Mount Rainier National Park. Welcome to Colorado in fall. It's Christmas Day 2018. Stepping into Georgia. Georgia's been on my mind.
At the time that we started, only 5 people have successfully done it. None of them have been a person of color. I am trying to become the first.
The CDT 2018. These are my final steps.
2 trails down, 1 more trail to go. AT 2018, here we come.
The outdoors is always presented as a very welcoming, open-minded place, but in reality, it isn't. There's definitely cultural barriers, economic barriers for various groups of people to get outside and feel comfortable and not be judged when they're out there. I want to bring a different face to the outdoors. Nature doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care where you're from. It doesn't care what job you have, how popular you are on Instagram.
Checking out Mr. Marmot.
No matter what happens, nature's going to be nature. It's been here way before we were here. It's going to be here after we're here. And all the things we complain about in our normal lives, it doesn't matter.
Frozen gear. Those are socks. In my tent, I am mentally beat, physically beat, totally ready for it to be over.
The psychological and mental challenges. I'm just talking to myself. There are definitely days where I didn't see a single soul. Does anybody really care what I'm doing? Will this be what I'm remembered for something bigger than myself? I question myself every day when I'm out here. But I was like, well, you got to get up. That's the only way you're going to get anywhere. And I kept walking.
1 mile away. Wow. I'm just at a loss for words right now.
This feels like a dream.